exploring the notion of beauty in different cultures. Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll delve into a fascinating topic, the notion of beauty. Beauty is a universal concept, but its perception can vary greatly from one person to another, and across different cultures and time periods. Today, we'll explore what shapes our understanding of beauty and how it's reflected in various aspects of life. Stay with us as we unravel the layers of this intriguing subject. The phrase, notion of beauty, refers to the individual and cultural perceptions of what is considered beautiful. This concept is not just about physical appearances. It encompasses a wide range of qualities, including nature, art, and human behavior. It's important to understand that beauty is subjective. What one person finds beautiful might not appeal to another. This section will explore how the notion of beauty goes beyond the surface, influencing art, literature, and social interactions. In this section, we'll explore how different cultures around the world have their unique standards and interpretations of beauty. From the geisha of Japan to the Maasai of Africa, every culture has its own definition of what makes someone or something beautiful. We'll look at how these standards are shaped by historical, geographical, and social factors, and how they have evolved over time. The media plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of beauty. In this section, we'll discuss how television, movies, magazines, and social media platforms can influence and sometimes distort the notion of beauty. We'll also talk about the impact of these influences on individual self-esteem and the importance of promoting a healthy and inclusive notion of beauty. Beauty is not just about outward appearances. This section will highlight the importance of inner beauty, which includes traits like kindness, intelligence, and integrity. We'll discuss how inner beauty can be just as impactful as physical beauty and why it's important to recognize and value these qualities in ourselves and others. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complex and varied landscape of beauty. Remember, the notion of beauty is broad and inclusive, transcending physical appearances to encompass the beauty of character, actions, and the world around us. We hope this video has offered you a fresh perspective on what beauty means and how it is perceived across different cultures and media. Stay beautiful, inside and out.